All right, guys, please pay attention to what I'm about to share with you guys. There's a reason why I've been selling right now. If you guys watched the last YouTube video, we took a 500% profit, a 400% profit. I am not putting any cash into the market right now. Okay. You guys know there's a link in the description. The future forecast is posted for everybody. Okay. This is how a drop in interest rates could give you one last opportunity to grab altcoins low before the parabolic move starts. Now, please listen, guys. A lot of people are saying interest rates decreasing are going to eventually lead from QT to QE, quantitative tightening to quantitative easing. The money printer is going to be turned on and we're going to go up to the moon. The rocket ship's going to take off in Q4. Yes, that is true, and I can back that up with data that I see as well. However, this usually doesn't happen for the stock market until interest rates have gone down to their lows. We are not there yet. Do you know that the plateauing that we have had, because look, we've come down in interest rates and we've plateaued. The drop after the plateauing, guys, has ushered in over 40% drops on the S&P 500. Okay? Please watch this today, but I'm going to teach you guys even more right now. When this happens, when the stock market, let's say this is the stock market right here, okay, guys? And we're at a very high peak. This is pretty much where we're at right now. And you guys look at interest rates. I'm just going to go like this because we've been here and we're plateauing and it looks like we're going to start moving down. Today and tomorrow is FOMC meeting. We're probably going to hold rates, but when we do drop, please just pay attention to this. So we have rates. I'm going to make this, I'll say rates right here. Okay, now watch this line right here that I'm about to draw for you guys. Here's our basis, and we have what's called an inverted yield curve. This is what's called yield curve. This is something that I will teach you guys about this morning. Okay, follow me here. I'm going to do this in yellow. When rates decrease, okay, and yield curve comes inverted, right here, this is where we end up getting around 35% plus stock market crashes. Now, what do you guys know about the stock market and cryptocurrency? You cannot find a time when the stock market goes down and Bitcoin doesn't follow. And you better believe you cannot find a time when Bitcoin goes down and altcoins don't follow suit with a 2 to 3x potential of downside. Okay? What I am going to teach you guys this morning and show you with charts is how to position yourself in this market. I'm not your financial advisor, so I have to make this very clear. But there's three types of people right now that need to be thinking about their positions. There are long-term holders, those of you guys who have long-term capital gains treatment on your portfolio, which you should have a certain percentage in and a certain percentage out. You then have the second party who is brand new, okay? You guys are coming brand into the market and you are pretty much guaranteed to take short-term capital gains, which I'm going to call short-term. There's a different strategy for you guys. Then there's a guys that's a hybrid, okay, of both, and you guys are trying to figure out how much cash do I put on the sidelines in buy limits and how much do I keep in the market? Because if this plays out again, guys, and this isn't even the scary part. This is just like if rates decrease. Here's the even scarier part that I'll teach you guys about real quick, and I'll unpack this more, is interest rates being held the same. Okay, I'm going to call it IR, interest rates in USA, being held the same. If Japan actually increases interest rates, we get what's called a reverse carry trade scenario all over again, like we saw in August of 2024. There's more factors to this with oil and treasuries, but I'm breaking it like very high level. Which, if this reverse carry trade is actually going to happen, what's one of the things that we need to happen for this terrible scenario to play out? Interest rates not dropping in the United States and Japan interest rates going up. There's a reason why Trump is so frustrated with Jerome Powell that he's not decreasing interest rates. Besides the point, what are you going to do? This is where I need to teach you guys, and I really hope you guys, this sounds so weird because this is how everyone's like, oh, it's marketing. I want you guys to pay for this future forecast, this membership, because I promise you, I'm going to give you guys the data you need to see. I've been taking out profit this whole time. And let's take a look at the portfolio real quick so you guys can know that I'm not just some like random guy on YouTube. We're $721,000 in profit this year, but I've been pulling out profit and I have been stacking cash on the sidelines for this scenario to come. It's why I sold XLM and XRP already for 500 and 400% profit. I didn't put it back in the market. I'm still in cash. So this $171,000 that we took this year already is sitting on the sidelines in buy limits. I'll give you guys my buy limits today. You guys will see all of them. This is a time where I think you guys need to be prepared. Why? Because it's actually exciting if you understand what's coming. I have 4 charts to show you guys of why altcoins could go down lower, but I'm going to give you the exact points of how low I think altcoins will go. Because if you can set buy limits up at these areas, and this takes place where the stock market crashes, and Trump posted on Truth Social that he wouldn't mind a 3% rate cut, like, oh my gosh, you better be ready for a flash crash and then a parabolic move back up. This is where you guys can become millionaires. This is where you guys scoop up those low altcoins at the very low prices, which some of the prophetic community has talked about 11-cent XLM. Well, guys, that 11-cent XLM could actually be reasoned with this scenario that is potentially about to play out. And definitely it is reasoned if we get a reverse carry trade like that, like it's going lower than 11 cents. So I am hoping that you guys are paying attention. And again, at the end of this, what's the most important thing that I'll share with you guys? I'm not your financial advisor. Please understand that before you purchase this membership and you watch this morning. But I will go over and share with you guys how much I believe you should have in the market, how much I have in the market from long term, if you're brand new to cryptocurrency, and if you have a hybrid of both, with me doing this for about a decade. Okay, and I will show you guys the charts that have called the past drops in the past when the scenarios happen, so you have the data to go forward and make wise trading decisions. Guys, click that link in the description. Use the 25% off coupon code so you save some money. It's only $49 for the first month. Go to the front page and click this future forecast, and please watch it this morning. The amount of money you guys could be making if you time this drop well and you go into the alt season at the end of the year is astronomical, okay? Also, I would watch the tax software future forecast that I did to show you guys the tax software that I use that perfectly calculates gains, because I've used 4 of them already, and 3 out of the 4 have been, they've missed my cost basis, and I have proof of this. Please watch how to calculate your taxes. And then also I'm revealing my full exit plan for XRP, XLM, Solana, and you guys can go through here and look at literally like probably over 100 future forecasts that we have archived. So please, guys, watch this future forecast. It is fully worth it. Also, when you guys are a member, really quickly, because I don't want to take too long to say this because I want you to focus on that forecast, you guys will also get access to all of our trade calls. We are 304 wins legitimately with no losses since the last 29 months. I want to make that very clear. The last 29 months. We had a strategy before this where we took losses. We restructured risk management. In the last 29 months, we are 304 wins and 0 losses. You can take all the new trade sets we call out if you would like. Coin metrics. If you guys click on this, this is a free dashboard we're giving everybody once they're in the membership, where there's 3 powerful metrics here that are going to track institutional smart money positions, fear and greed index, and market reversals that you can time dollar cost average entries. You can have this for life once you become a member. Just click here, download the chart, and it's yours. Okay. On top of this, all the indicators that we use to go 304 wins and 0 losses, we give you massive discounts as you become a member. You guys can look at that, and please just look at the testimonials yourself from all of our members. This membership is built to extract profit from the market, but use wisdom with risk management based off what we see coming here. And when I have, 1.7 million on the line, I'm not playing around over here with clickbait titles. This is serious because I'm taking my money seriously. So guys, I love you. I'm praying wisdom over everyone. I'm asking the Lord for wisdom as we go forward in this, but I really think you guys do need to see this future forecast this morning. And please just listen to the risk management thoughts that I have to prepare yourself for a potential crash to make exponentially more money coming up here at the end of 2026. Links are in the description. Please watch this, guys. You won't regret it. I'll see you guys in the future forecast. Bye-bye.